So hi viewers, welcome to Craft Your Future. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is who is coming towards you and what they want. Okay, if someone is coming towards you, definitely they want something. So who is coming? We will find out first who is coming and what they want. It is not about intentions. I just want to take what they want. Okay. If at all, what is their intention means again whatever they are coming for, again I need to look for the back, what is their intention, why they are coming. No, this as simple as someone is coming, someone came, you can now you can know in this reading and what they want. As simple as your past person, your ex, what they want, reconciliation. And no Anita, I gave diamond ring, I want to take that back because I got new girlfriend, I want to give that diamond ring to new girlfriend. That can be the case. Okay. Nowadays everyone taking their gifts back, no one is keeping them, leaving them with their ex. When they are breaking up, they are taking all the gifts. No, that's true. If at all they tattooed their name, they are finding same name girl or same name guy. So that's the same person. A same person name it is. No, it is happening actually. I'm not joking. It is happening. So today's reading also who is coming towards you and what they want from you. It's a pick-up line reading. So you don't know who is coming. If at all it is specific person, you can choose multiple paths, but it is really you don't know who is coming, why they are coming, what they want. So here just to go for only one pile and understand the energy clearly, because who is coming, that can be brand of new fresh personality, that can be the old so x 10 years back, x decade back, x. I'm not remembering, Anita, who is that person. No, you already know this person is from the past, which x. As anyway, I will give a lot of insights, which is like in-depth reading. As a which X event you have in that decade 100 X's also, you can find out who is that X. I will give that in-depth reading, so then you can understand. So first, that is the reason when you choose a file, understand entire reading energies, and then you will understand who is coming and what they want. We will get the clarity. Or else, hearing, who is coming? Okay, if at all you won't analyze, you don't know what they want. Hey, really, I don't want to give it. As simple as you maybe have past person, ex, someone. And no, Anita, I don't want to reconcile any kind of excess. I'm just looking for the brand new person in my life. And then you maybe get that who is coming, what they want. Yes, X is coming. No, I don't want that X. No, first listen, understand why they are coming, what they want. Whether they really want to reconcile, or they maybe want some clarification, some confession, they want to do something. They maybe want to clear something which maybe they failed to clear in the past. As I said in the initially, they maybe want some gift which they gave you in the past. Now they maybe want that gift back. When I say that X is coming, no, Anita, I don't want X, I don't want to reconcile. No, don't conclude why what they want. That is important. Whether they're really coming for the reconciliation, maybe not, right? They may be coming for whatever they gave you. So as simple as they may be coming to take your best friend number. Because when they are dating with you, they maybe fall for that person, but they don't want to cheat you, so they adjusted with you. Now anyway you broke up, so they can pursue that person, pursue your best friend, so they will come for your best friend number. If at all it is my kind of person, I will go. Because I don't want to cheat my partner. So definitely when they find out I'm interested in someone, I don't go for anyone. But if at all something happened, break up, and then definitely I will ask number directly to my ex. Actually, that is a maybe reason God, universe never gave me any boyfriend kind of thing. She is going to kill everyone with her honesty. So better let her keep single, so that people will live their life. Kill them with kindness, Selena says. My motto is kill people with honesty. Truth, kill them with truth. And no matter whether they accept it or not, doesn't matter. It is none of our business. Tell the truth, that's it. You will sleep at peace. That's what I feel. Sometimes my Krishna says that it is a good thing telling the truth, but sometimes you need to hide the truth. It is not that you are lying. It is very important. Maybe other person is not ready for it to listen. So slowly I learned that art of telling the truth in the right time. Or else I'm like telling the truth. No matter whether you accept it or not, you get hurt. It is none of my business. Time changes. We need to change. We need to learn. We need to change. That's what life it is. So anyway, who is coming? We'll see what they want. Just take time, analyze, understand. If you really feel that there is something serious, then listen to your intuition, take the support of your intuition and go for the suggestion, whatever it is. Okay, as simple as someone is coming which is not good energy, you should whatever they are coming for, you should not accept, you should not give, whatever it may be. Then take a little bit more focus on it, listen to your intuition. Based on that suggestion, by your intuition suggestion, go for that suggestion, take action. Okay, so let's get into the reading. So by number 1, who choose white agate? Who is coming towards you? What they want? Okay. So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button. Have a look at our YouTube store. Watch the ads. Who is coming towards you? I'm not waiting for anyone, Anita. I'm not waiting. No, you are waiting internally. Your inner child is waiting. Externally, your adult self is not waiting for anyone, but internally, your inner child waiting for someone who is like a karmic mother. You don't know that, and you are feeling that that person is my mother figure. Queen of Cups. No, they are not Queen of Cups. They are Queen of Cups in the reverse. Who is coming towards you? One truth is coming, because what they want. Who is coming towards you? Here I am not seeing anyone is coming. It is your energy, inner child energy. You know intuitively, you need to walk away from that situation, but you don't want, because no, Anita, this is my mother figure, so I want my mother figure. I am waiting for that mother figure. What actually you don't know is this is not a Queen of Cups. This is a Queen of Cups in the reverse. Karmic mother. They're never going to do the justice to you. They're never going to understand your feelings, emotions and all. You know the truth, but still your inner child not accepting to leave the situation. And you are not ready for any kind of new beginnings. I'm not looking for anything. It is a waiting card. I'm not waiting. So who is coming towards you? No one is coming, because you are not moving anywhere. You are not looking for any new beginnings. Moreover, you are stuck with someone who is karmic mother. They're never going to let you to go anywhere. They're never going to let you to, at least see, forget about other things. Maybe if at all you are expecting that, Anita, I want to go somewhere. I want something which is near to my heart. I want to take that thing, and I'm waiting my mother permission. You're never going to get the permission from your mother, because this is not the loving, caring mother who can understand their child emotions, feelings. This is a karmic mother. No matter how long you are going to wait, my mother is going to understand. I will sit like that. See how this kid is sit. Look at his face. With disappointment, with sadness. He is expecting, wishing that my mother will come and accept, because if at all I sit like this, my mother will come and tell that, okay, you can go and play. They're never going to tell. You're never going to get the justice, because this person, whomever that mother figure, that can be your own mother, that can be whom you give that importance, someone as a mother figure, whom you treat like a mother figure. This is a mother, loving, caring mother. This is not a mother. They don't even love themselves. They don't even know what is their emotions, feelings. Then how can they are going to know about your emotions, feelings? You are not going to get the justice with this person if at all you are expecting that. Who is coming towards you? You are not going to get anything. I don't know what you are looking for. You already know what to do. You are not doing that. The reason? No, Anita, I don't want to fight. I don't want to. I'm not saying that you don't want to fight. You have some trust issues. You are giving more importance to your mother figure, someone in your life who is like a karmic mother, not a mother. But you are not understanding their energy, that they are not a mother. They are a karmic who don't accept their child to do what they want to do. Intuitively, you know what you should do, but you are not taking the plunge. The reason? You are waiting for this person to come and tell you that go. Have that new beginning wherever you want to go, wherever your heart is desiring for you to go. Go. Chase your dreams. You are expecting that, no, Anita, my mother figure will come and tell that, go, kid, go. Chase your dreams. No, they're never going to tell. Because they are karmic mother. They don't even know what is their dreams. They don't even know how to fulfill their dreams. They don't even know how to respect their own dreams. Give importance to their own wishes, desires. When they don't like themselves, they don't love themselves, they don't give importance to their own dreams, own wishes, how can they understand your dreams? So it is like you are expecting something from someone who never going to give any kind of equal give and take. You are never going to get any kind of equal give and take with this person. That person can be as simple as your baby mama kind of person. It is like you should not look for this person permission. That's for sure. No matter who they are. If at all it is really original mother, you should not look for this person permission. Take the plunge. Take control of your life and go. You no need to fight also, which is like, no, I will fight with my mom. I will ask. I will like arguing. No, don't do anything because they are not going to accept. First of all, they are not going to understand. First, if at all they understand, then you can, okay, my mom is listening. They will understand and they will think, then they will make the decision, then they will tell me something. No. You maybe have trust issues. That is the reason you are like, I will ask my mother if at all they say, go beta, go and run, chase your dreams, and then I will go. Because if at all anything happen, I will come back to my mom. But if at all they are not telling me to go, if at all I take this plunge, wherever I go, if that person is not trustworthy, if that person did something wrong, where should I go again? I need to come back to my mom. Then she is not going to accept me. That is the reason I want her permission. If at all she say that, okay, you can go. If something happened, if at all I don't trust that person may be not trustworthy, they did something, I can come back. So you are looking for some kind of, you maybe have some opportunity, but you are hesitating to take that plunge towards that new beginnings because you feel that wherever I am going, I don't know, Anita, how it will be. So I should have some kind of assurance that if at all I go somewhere, things did not work out the way I want, I can come back to my mother. But if at all I won't take permission from my parent, mother, someone mother figure, if at all I go and things went something wrong, I cannot come back to her because she won't allow me. Because you are the one who went as like a fool. Then why you come back? She won't accept me. That is the reason I sit and wait. She is going to tell that you can go. No, they are never going to tell. They are never going to tell you. You know intuitively. It is not that Anita is telling, so I need to listen. No. Intuitively, you know everything. Wherever you are going, you know that is a trusted thing. You can trust that. You have feeling. That is like your wish fulfillment. Everything. And even though you wait for entire 10 years or entire life, whomever that mother figure, that person never going to tell you to go and have your justice. No. You will be seated in this injustice situation. You are going to be sit in this injustice. Here it is injustice. Maybe you are, that is the reason I said it is a karmic mother. The mother who don't let that child to do what they want to do. They will controlling kind of energy. No, you should do only this thing. No, I am your mother, I am telling, you should listen to me. So you are dealing with controlling mother. And you are expecting your controlling mother your controlling mother will understand you. Do you really think that? I don't think so. That is the reason, even though you have new beginnings, you are not ending the cycle with this person, going towards that new beginnings. You have some kind of, you see, everyone will have, right? If at all we are completed our graduation, okay, we are looking for the jobs. When we are going to the first day of that work, we will be having, I don't know what kind of colleagues will be there, how the team members will be, how the team leader will be, how the reporting manager will be. Only we know HR. HR is like, show the, like, this is like a heaven. You are entering into the heaven. See. After entering, don't know really it is a heaven or hell. That's a different story. But in the entrance, HRs will be like, hey, you're coming. Welcome to the heaven. But everyone carries that issues, not just you. As simple as take me. If at all I am getting some new beginnings, some things, I will at least somewhere we will get intuitively. I'm a psychic, so intuitively I know what is this, what it is, how, if at all something happen, how I should handle. Intuitively we know, we take the support of intuition. That's a different thing. Here you know everything. I'm not telling you are not an intuitive person. You know intuitively, 8 of Cups. You know entire situation, information, whatever guidance you needed, your intuition already gave you. But you are still that one thing stopping you, that is trust issue. If at all I go, whatever my intuition is telling, that's true. I trust. My intuition is telling you can trust that person blindly. You no need to worry. You won't get any kind of failure there. You will be having very happy life. Go towards that person. You know everything, but still, I don't know that person. So if at all I go and get married with that person, what is the guarantee? If some issues, misunderstanding happened, something happened, we broke up, I need to come back to my mom. So better I will take the permission with my mom. You should be independent, right? If really something happened also, we should handle by ourselves. We cannot look for someone to come sit with us, handle. And if at all you really feel in that way, you maybe have friends also. They will help you. Why you are looking for someone, and moreover this person is a karmic person, karmic mother. End of the cycle. Who is coming towards you? No one is going to come towards you. You need to take the plunge. If at all you sit and don't take any action, no one is going to come towards you. You and your karmic mother both will sit, waste your life. I don't know about your karmic mother. They may be drinking, indulging in alcohol, they may be spending the time. You are also going to do the same thing. Who is coming towards you? Your mother is not going to change. This person may be verbal abuser. Like, why you are going? How dare you to go there? How many times I told you? They may be use bad words also, like scolding. Verbally they may be abuse you. Not physically, but verbally maybe they abuse you. So if at all you are expecting that, no Anita, today or tomorrow, my mom is going to change, they may be going to understand my emotions. No, don't expect. You need to end this cycle. Don't expect that your mother figure is going to change. That is a karmic mother. You are not understanding. We need to change our karmic mothers by taking actions against them. No, that's true. Or else we cannot. Let it be. What they want, why they are doing, because here anyway, no one is coming. You need to go. You already have one new beginning. Intuitively, you already have all the information. It is not that completely unknown, you don't know anything. No, you have everything. The only thing is you are looking for someone's permission. I want permission to dance. You want permission to go towards someone. That permission you are looking from, expecting from your karmic mother. Where is that? Who is never going to give the permission? So they are never going to give any kind of permission to you. The reason is, it is not that this person either hate you. That's a different thing. This is a karmic, which is like, even though if at all you explain them, they cannot understand because they don't love themselves. They don't even in touch with their own emotions. Then if at all you express something, and mostly it is your heart desire, they cannot understand that language. So when you are asking permission to someone who cannot understand your language, then how they are going to give you the permission? You should understand that. What they want, what your karmic mother want, that they are not letting you to go, or at least you are expecting the permission. What your karmic mother want, because here no one is there, no one is coming. You need to go towards some new beginning by ending this cycle with this karmic mother. So let me see what they want, what your karmic mother want from you. And they want you to make the wrong decision towards the love, and you should not give, you should not get new beginning with your love interest. You should cheat your lover. I don't know what is this. See, they want what they want. They want you to make the wrong decision. What is that wrong decision? By not offering your cup, by not going towards your love. Knight of Cups is going towards your love. In the reverse, you should not go towards your lover, or whomever you carry emotions, so that that person should think that you are a cheater, so that they should not offer anything stable to you, because you are a cheater. I loved you, I have love for you. You also said that you have love for me. I'm waiting for you. I thought that you were going to come towards me, give me something stable, or we both are going to start something stable, but you did not came. You cheated me. So they want, I don't know why this person don't want your love life. Your karmic mother don't want you to have love partner. That is the reason they want you to make the wrong decision, to cheat your partner. How simple? You just wait for this person. This person never going to give up permission. Your partner will wait there. My person will come. My partner will come, because they said that they have love for me. They will come. They will wait. After some time, they will understand that, okay, this person cheated me. I thought they are going to come, but they did not come. So they cheated me. They are a cheater. They want you to look like a cheater in your love interest, or love, whomever you love, in that person's eyes. That is the reason, even though you wait here, they are not going to tell you to go. You need to go by ending the cycle. What this person wants, just you need to make the wrong decision. That's it. You should make wrong decision by not going towards that person. You should not get the victory. This is a Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. You should not get the victory. If at all your mother is a Queen of Pentacles in the reverse, that person may be like a escort. So they never got any kind of love. So they don't want you to get love. Because see, I'm an escort, I did not got love from anyone. How can you get love in your life? So you should also not get love. That kind of energy I'm seeing. Who is this Queen of Pentacles in the reverse? I'm not seeing you. It is your energy. Your energy is like at least in front of this person, you are like a child. You are giving that person important, like a mother figure. Who is this Queen of Pentacles in the reverse? Who is this Six of Wands in the reverse? Maybe your lover, this person may be your lover, and they don't want you to get a victory with that person. What is this? What is the secret? Your mother is not interested in love. They maybe don't have any kind of feelings, emotions and all. That secret you don't know that. This person, whomever that mother figure, Queen of Cups in the reverse, whomever watching file number 1, you should be more careful whom you are dealing, because you are treating someone like a mother. Mother means they should carry emotions, feelings. This person is completely emotionless, but you don't know that secret. They may be acting like I'm a very loving, caring mother figure, and you are falling for that action because of your immaturity or blindly trusting someone, and you are not seeing the truth that this person actually not at all interested in love. and you maybe want to go towards someone with whom you share two of cups. That person may be queen of pentacle in the reverse. That person may be like a escort, but you maybe fall for that person. You maybe carry love for that person. You maybe felt that that person is my true love of my life. So you want to go towards that person. You want to have some new beginning. You both maybe want to get married. You both maybe want to come into two of cups connection. But this person don't want. See, they don't want you to get this two of cups. They just want you. They want to keep you stuck. You are not going to see the result, no matter how much you try to convince this person. This person is controlling you in a wrong way because they want 10 of pentacle. If at all you have 10 of pentacle, they maybe just want money. You have option. You want to go or you want to heartbreak here by sitting here. If at all you don't want to get heartbreak, take stand for yourself, go towards your love, get some new beginning, become king of wands. This is not interested in love. Whomever you are dealing with, this person is not interested in love. That mother figure, that is a cheater, that person is not a right person. And this person maybe carried a lot of burdens, or at least they feel that they have a lot of karma where they don't have time to love themselves. This person don't listen to their intuition. They cannot be honest themselves. See, you are dealing with one person who don't in touch with their emotions, and you are expecting that if I tell my love story to my mother, she is going to understand. No, she never. And moreover, she have problem that you have 10 of pentacles, so if at all you leave them, they are going to miss this finances, one stability, strong stability. Or if at all you belong to the reputed family, they don't want you to go towards that escort and get married with that person, because two of cups means marriage. They don't want you to go towards the escort and get married with that person, make kids with that person, because sun card we got and the king of wands. If at all you go towards that person, you are going to become the king of wands, husband figure, father figure. You both may be going to get one child, but your mother figure don't want you to go. It is really your mother, because very strong message, because it isn't some kind of inheritance they don't want to share. It is like some, if at all you belong to one reputed family where in the society maybe like influence kind of people maybe know, a lot of people maybe know. So definitely when you get married in the family, someone get married, everyone will say whom you got married. Okay, this person, who is that person, how, what they studied. They will ask their background, at least they will inquire their background. So this person is like, whomever you fall for, that is an escort. You should not get married with an escort. You cannot make one escort as your spouse, because this is an escort, whomever you fall for. And this person may be in the past sitting and crying about the past. Now they came out. They may be seeing this two of cups, because your mom also don't want you to get this two of cups. This is a karmic mother. See, you can understand. In the society, some people will scared of societal norms, and also they stop their children to go towards their wish. But if at all they truly understand, they will tell that okay, whatever society may think, let them think, because I want my children happiness. I want my kid to be happy, my child to be happy. Let them speak whatever they are telling. That is mother. They may be tell you no, immediately they won't accept. No parent will accept, especially in this kind of cases. But after some time they will like, okay, my child is not eating, because you are sitting very silently, not doing anything, you are not active, you are not happy. When we see our children with sad face, disappointment, we will ask, what happened, what you want. We cannot see them like that for very long time. In my home, if at all we want to buy some things which is needed large sum of money, lakhs, my brother will ask me. I will tell that no, if it is not now, we will do it after 1 month, 2 months. He will sit like this. I'll understand. Now this kid is playing tantrums. He will play tantrums, like he won't speak. Even though if at all I call him to share some food, he won't take. I will understand. He's playing the tantrums. So after some time, I will tell that okay, let's go for it. Anyway, after 2 months, anyway, I want to buy it because I want it. But I said after 2 months because of my whatever budget I made. But he want now. What is there? 2 months. I can adjust it. I will say okay, let's go for it. That's a different thing because we will understand our kids. We cannot see them sitting like that. I cannot see. Maybe it will little bit difficult for us to adjust the things, but it's okay. We can, but we cannot see our child completely like 2 months. You should sit like that. You should not eat. We cannot, right? At least I cannot. This person also same kind of person. If at all you are expecting that maybe after some time my mom is going to accept me and tell, no, they don't want to tell. They never going to tell. They want you to be stuck here. Wait, sit and wait for them. That other person also, whomever, they should also wait for you. You need to take stand and walk away from this situation. Which is like, no, I want my love. If at all you want to treat me like my child, your child, you can. If you don't want to accept me as my child, still I'm leaving. You need to take action. No one is coming here. You need to make action. Take action based on your intuition because you already got the answers. It is not that you lack information. You need some kind of suggestion, advice. No, you got already whatever information you needed. Paint the sun back into your sky. If at all you are feeling that no, Anita, my mother is like my protection, you can be your own knight. You are not a child. You are going towards your love. Knight of Cups means your knight. Actually, your mother need you for protection. But somewhere you are thinking that no, my mother is my protection. No, you are your mother's protection. So instead of sitting with this karmic mother, leave the situation, take that plunge, have your own new beginnings, have that child. Because I think sun card we got twice. This is also sun. Paint the sun back into your sky. See, I respect my parents, not my parents. I respect everyone's parents because I can understand how much they struggle to brought up their kids, how much they gone through, what difficulties they will take. But it doesn't mean that we gone through a lot, we took a lot we face a lot of challenges. So we need to control our kid. We should control our kid. We have that power to control. No, that's wrong. This person don't know that. That is the reason why I'm calling your mother as a karmic mother. Karmic mother. Okay. So here you are going to become king of wands by marrying your love of your life. You will have one child. In the initial, maybe this person is not going to accept. Your karmic mother is not going to accept. But they know that you are their protection. Actually, you are there. That is the reason they are feeling protected. If you leave, you will become king of wands. Not just a knight, king of wands. You will have child, family, your own family. Your mother will come to you. Because where they will go? Where parents will go? 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, hardly. Once they get that grandchildren, they will come back. That's what the story. Right? Not for you. Not for the child. For the grandchild. For grandchild, they will come back. They won't go anywhere. That is the reason whoever watching, who is coming towards you, no one. You already have the opportunity. You need to go towards that opportunity. You need to take plunge instead of waiting for your mother to give the permission. It is not that you are disrespecting your mother by going against her. No, nothing. You are just respecting yourself, respecting that love, giving respect to that other person who is thinking that you are their love of their life. So many things. Once you start the family, once you have child, your mother will come back. They won't go anywhere because you are their only hope or you are their protector. Child is obviously till some certain age, we feel that our parents are our protection or something happened, our parents will be there. But after 18, we will protect our parents. Our parents will feel that my child is there. They will take care of it. My mom used to tell when she used to have fight with my dad, I don't need you. My daughter is there. She will take care of me. And it became true. It became true now. Like that. So a certain time, till certain time, certain age, we feel that our parents are our protection. We need them. After certain time, they need us. We will be their protectors. But it doesn't mean that we need to kill our dreams or kill our love, stop our life. And moreover, this person never going to understand. That's what I'm telling. So take that plunge, go towards your new beginning. Hardly 1 year. Once you get the baby, she will be back. Okay? So go for your new beginnings. Don't wait for permission for this from this person. Thank you for watching. So pile number 2, whomever choose amethyst, who is coming towards you and what they want. Okay, so meanwhile go and subscribe. If at all you not subscribed, if at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button, have a look at our YouTube store, watch the ads. Who is coming towards you? King of Cups, Queen of Swords. Who is coming towards you? You may be trying hard for someone to get some new beginning with that person, which is the Ace of Wands. I think they are going to break your heart. Not exactly like a breaking your heart with third party kind of situation. No. Who is coming towards you? Maybe 2 people. Where you may be going to end up in the situation whom to choose. Who is coming towards you? Let me put some more cards. A little bit of confusion. Who is coming towards you? Whether that confusion is yours, your end, or who is coming towards you? Who is this Queen of Swords? Whether same person, Queen of Cups, Queen of Swords, or this is the same different feminine energy? Same person. They feel that they have 2 of Cups with you. They are King of Cups. And they feel that they have 2 of Cups with you. But you are in a 2 of Cups, Queen of Swords energy maybe. As of now, instead of holding cup, you may be holding sword. They are coming towards you. But they are not coming to tell you that they want 2 of Cups with you. They may be going to break your heart because they don't want any new beginning with you. If at all, see, if at all, if at all matching with you, then only take. If at all you told them that, see, I'm the Queen of Cups, you are the King of Cups, we both should share 2 of Cups. This person maybe find out that you are not a Queen of Cups because you came up like a Queen of Swords. If at all you are the Queen of Swords, you should not carry sword with your King of Cups. You should be like a Queen of Cups. So they are coming towards you. Who is coming towards you? This King of Cups. Surely this King of Cups is coming towards you and your energy is like Queen of Swords. But why? What they want is they don't want anything with you. They ended the cycle. Ace of Wands in the reverse. You may be expecting that this person is going to come, we will get married, we will have one fresh brand new beginning. 3 of Swords in the reverse. It is not that they have someone else, that is the reason they are breaking your heart. Actually, they don't want to break your heart, that is the reason they don't want to come. Now you know better than me why they don't want to come. Because they feel that if at all they come, it will become third party. So I don't want to break your heart. That is the reason I am not coming. If at all I come, it will going to break your heart. I hope you understand. It is very different energy. If at all you are trying hard for this person, no, I want you because you are a King of Cups and I share 2 of Cups with you. Come. 7 of Pentacles in the reverse. All your efforts are gone. Because that's why I'm telling, this person maybe came to know that you are not Queen of Cups because know where you are carrying cup. If at all you are trying also, you are trying hard. You tried hard for this person with Pentacles. You maybe want to buy their love. You want to buy someone's love with money, maybe giving costly gifts. You want to do that? You did it. Not want to do that. You did it. That's why now they are coming and they want to tell you that, see, I don't want any kind of new beginning with you. I don't want to hurt you. So, I'm leaving. I'm ending this cycle. Because they feel that if at all they take new beginning with you, it is going to break your heart. I don't know how, but they feel it is going to break your heart. It is going to become third party. Maybe this person found their queen of cups because you still carrying sword. You may be told that no, we both are two of cups. They may be found out that you are not queen of cups. That is the reason they may be going towards that queen of cups. If at all they start something new with you, it will become third party. It is going to break your heart because they are going to end up with queen of cups. So they share deep emotional bonding, not with you. That is the reason. Maybe you are carrying all the burdens on your shoulders, or you may be told that I'm going to carry all your burdens. Let's come into the union. You are waiting for this person. See, that is the reason. If at all you are waiting for King of Cups and you are telling that person that I am your Two of Cups, or we both share Two of Cups. If at all you both share Two of Cups, why you are waiting with wands? Why you want to carry the burdens? Because it is a love. You both carry these Two of Cups, light energies, deep energy. Where these burdens will come? Where these things, wands? How come these wands entered into the connection? You may be the one who is telling them, or you really don't know that this person is not your King of Cups. Maybe you really don't know. You may be simply thinking, or someone may be told that no, this is your King of Cups. You share Two of Cups with that person. That is the reason maybe you want some Ace of Wands new beginning. But you won't. You, if at all you expect Ace of Wands new beginning also with cups, King of Cups, Queen of Cups, one passionate, fiery new beginning. How come it will be like a Three of Wands come into the union with like Four of Wands? This is not a King of Wands. And you are not a Queen of Wands. Then how come you are waiting for asking one King of Cups to come into the living in situation? Because this is a father figure. They can get married traditionally, have kids, give that love, pampering to their kids. They can become a very great father figure, emotionally stable person, very stable person emotionally, very mature person, well matured person, stay emotionally. But you are like, no, I carry the wand, I'm waiting for you, I'm thinking that we both are going to start something new, and I'm ready to take all your burdens, whatever bills, you don't need to pay anything, I'm going to pay all your bills. Who is coming towards you? This King of Cups is coming. What they want? Let me ask again, because I got the answer. They don't want any new beginning. They want to tell you that, see, because it is a King of Cups. They don't want to hurt anyone. They want to come. They want to sit in front of you and tell the truth that, see, I don't want any new beginning. I'm not ready for any kind of living in situation. I can understand you are waiting. That is the reason I came, and I want to tell you, you are carrying the burdens. I want to release this burden. So please, I'm ending the cycle, and stop putting your efforts. Don't try hard for me to come. Okay? Maybe they are getting some new beginning. Or you may be the one who made the decision to have this sun new beginning with this King of Cups. That is your wrong decision. Because if at all you are waiting for the wand, how you feel that this King of Cups will bring the wand? This is not a King of Wand. They want to hold wand. They hold the cup. Mismatch. You should look for King of Wands or Queen of Wands. If at all you are feminine, you carry feminine energy, you should look for the King of Wands. That is the reason they are coming and telling you. They want to tell the truth. They want to share the truth that, see, I don't want to break your heart. I know you are waiting, you are trying hard for me to come, we both should to get into the connection, but I don't want, because you stop putting the efforts. I'm ending this cycle. What they want to tell you, or what they want from you, because let me ask, what they want from you. They understood, as I said. They know you are not their Two of Cups. They understood you are not their Two of Cups. You are controlling them in a wrong way. Maybe you are not a King of Wands. You are controlling them in a wrong way by abusing your power, by telling that I am your boss, or I am what is this relation? Same sex? Because King of Cups, Emperor, and King of Wands in the reverse, same sex connection. Like I say, one dark magician want to get into he want to keep my husband in living in situation, gay relationship. He think that he can buy my husband with money. Some people will be there. So maybe here you are also doing that mistake, knowingly or unknowingly, I don't know. If at all you want to love by from someone, you cannot. Here I'm not even seeing that you are expecting love. You are expecting wand. But that person don't carry any wand. Why you are not understanding? This person carries love, not wand. You are not understanding that. And you are maybe abusing your power, taking control of them in a wrong way by telling that, see, I'm the boss, you should listen to me, even though you are not interested, you should come into the gay connection. They understood. If at all you are thinking that, no, Anita, I said them that we both share 2 of cups, they believed it, they know the truth. You are not their Queen of Cups. They may be found their King of Cups. Who is their Queen of Cups? And they understood you are controlling them in a wrong way. They may be found their Empress. Their wifey figure, mother figure, or who can become mother to their children. What they want, they just want to tell the truth. That's it. They just want to tell the truth that they are not ready for any new beginnings with you. I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to break your heart. So please stop putting your efforts. I am ending this cycle. You won't get any kind of new beginnings with me. That's what they want to tell. And they know that if at all you are controlling them, as I said, by abusing your power, they want to tell everything that you are abusing me or you are controlling me in a wrong way, which is not good. So please don't do that. Because this person is not going to fight with you. They are going to tell you in a calmer way. What more? Because I don't want to ask any question. What's more? Maybe you are not changing yourself. Tower in the reverse. Or you are not accepting the change. Love yourself. Bring that self-love. Because from your end, there is no self-love. Actually, what I am not understanding is you are in 10 of Wands. If you really get one King of Wands also or Queen of Wands also, you cannot do anything with that person. So you may be just to want to keep someone with you. Like you just sit with me. That's it. I'm going to pay your bills. You don't need to work. I'm going to pay your bills. Because I cannot do anything in my life. I don't have anyone, any companion in my life. So you just to be with me like companion. No relationship. Because if this person is not coming up with wand. And if at all they come up with wand also, you cannot, that wand is not useful for you because you are already gone. Your energy is drained. You are not in a energy like, yes, passionate fire is ready for the fire. Nothing. You don't even love yourself. And you may be telling that someone, see, I have a lot of money. That's why I said that dark magician is matching a lot. He have a lot of money. What is the use? He have a lot of money. He don't have single person in his life whom he can trust. He maybe earned a lot, but he failed to earn someone who can be trustworthy with them. That is the reason I always say, not money is not everything. Because after some time, we don't look for the money. We don't look for the pleasures. We don't look for the luxury items. Like lot of fancy things. We look for someone with whom we can sit and have that honest conversation without hesitating, share everything, trusting, having that trust on them that whatever we are sharing, they are not going to misuse that. That is what the true wealth someone can earn. But mostly in the 3D, people won't understand that. They run for the money, they run for the money, they run for the passion, they run for the pleasure, they run for the fancy things. But when they become 50, 60, what they want? I don't want anything, Anita. I just want someone sitting beside me with whom I can have that honest, open conversation, whom we can have that open conversation, whom we can trust, with whom we can trust. Because that person should not go out and tell everyone that, hey, this is what happening with him. That is the reason why we need one trustworthy person beside us. Maybe you are also in that kind of situation I'm seeing, and you are like, I'm going to pay all the bills. But what you are not understanding is, just because you want one companion, I'm not seeing any relationship here. You are not even looking for passion, fire, like, no, because you are not in a position to share all those things. Maybe you are already 60, edge of your life. You maybe want someone who can pamper you, who can take care of you, who can listen to you, whatever you are telling, with patience, with calmness, because this person is like that, King of Cups. Now, who can listen to you, whatever you are telling. Me and my brother have a great conversation. Because he's a very patient guy. He's King of Cups. He's a very patient guy. Maybe you're looking for such kind of person, but what you're not understanding is, they have their family, they may be found their partner. You cannot ask someone to sit. If at all my brother get married, he should live with his partner. It is not that I am your sister, you should sit with me, talk to me. No, we should become our own best friend. That's how we can attract more different people in our life. In that we will find out some beautiful souls who can be like same like us, with whom we can talk. Maybe they can be like honest people. They may be going to become very honest with us. You may be waiting for this person. They are coming, because this person is not a person who is going to escape in a sneaky way. They will come sit with you, tell you the truth. You need to love yourself. Drop the burdens, whatever it may be. Drop the burdens. You don't need to carry this many burdens. If you drop the burdens, if you love yourself, you will attract the love. Not exactly love partner, at least to people around you who carry love, emotions and all. You can spend time with the children, family, different people. You can make different friend groups in your age, no matter what age you may be, because based on this 60 years. So you can make that 60 years old friends, same age group friends at least. You need to change. You cannot be like, no, Anita, I want to be like this. You cannot. You need to change, because tower in the reverse. You are not accepting the change. What else? What else for pile number 2? What else for pile number 2? You may be taking the burdens of two people. At least one is Empress, one is like a wifey figure, mother figure. One is karmic mother, Queen of Cups in the reverse. Now you know who is that people, because you are carrying their burdens. These two men in your life. One is your wife maybe, because this person came up like an Empress. One is karmic mother or baby mama. But two people, maybe you have two wives. First wife, second wife kind of thing, or elder wife, younger wife kind of thing. And you are not getting anything from them. Even though I have 40 members, 40 wives, Anita, no one is giving what I wanted. What else? You maybe have multiple people in your life. Queen of Pentacle in the reverse. You are taking lot of burdens on your shoulders. Why you are doing all these things? 3 women came out. As of now, 3 feminine energies. One is Empress. I don't need to do anything. This person is taking all the burdens. I'll just make up, present myself beautifully. One is karmic mother. I don't love myself. Maybe it is you. You can be, because ten of wands is like not loving yourself. You need to love yourself. And you are carrying some other person burdens also. You are worried about them. Queen of wands in the reverse. Sorry, Queen of pentacle in the reverse. Lot of stress. Go within yourself. You are not doing your inner work. You may be having some kind of thoughts, like harmful thoughts, especially harming yourself, destroying yourself. Why should I live? What is there to live? I want to die. I don't have anything to live. Some kind of negative thoughts, which is like self destruction thoughts, are, as I said, suicidal thoughts. That is the reason maybe you found some love with this person, King of Cups. That person maybe like sit with you, had showed a lot of patience to you. Whatever you are telling, they may be heard. They may be never shared anything to anyone, your problems. That's where you want again this person. But this is not the right way to do the things, that you are my Two of Cups. If at all you are feeling that you are Queen of Cups, you are not a Queen of Cups. You are Queen of Cups in the reverse. It is not karmic mother to other person. First of all, you are karmic mother to yourself, because you are torturing yourself. I'm not seeing you are keeping burdens on someone, or if at all you literally have someone in your life who is like a karmic mother, that person may be keeping all the burdens on you. That can be same Empress. You may be giving importance to them. They may be eating, sleeping, doing whatever they want to do, going wherever they want to go, everything, spa, beauties, everything. And you are like, maybe she is going to understand me. Maybe she is going to treat me with love. First of all, you don't even yourself. No one is going to love you. You need to love yourself. And you are worried about someone who is like a escort. Work on yourself. You need to focus on only on yourself, not anyone. If at all you get this King of Cups also, no use. Actually, you need Queen of Cups. In your life, you need Queen of Cups, not King of Cups. You maybe just saw them when you are sharing your story. They may be very patient with you. That is the reason you are thinking that this King of Cups is a good match. No. Whatever energy you are carrying, for that you need Queen of Cups, who can understand your pain, your burden, so that this person can give that love to you, so that whatever burdens you carry, this person can make you to feel like relief. They can release you from these burdens. This person cannot do anything. If at all you have this person also, this person sit and okay, okay, that's how it happened. Oh, very bad. Oh, very sad thing. Oh, you have gone through all those things. That's it. Other than that, they won't do anything. I am telling you about my brother. Whenever he pull a card, he will pull same things. My family will come when I am doing the reading. They want to pull one card. So they won't do anything. They are simply patient people. They will listen. As I said, my brother even cannot fight or go outside. He will come to me, Akka, please handle this. Because it is not that he's scared of fights. He don't want to get into conflicts. He's a very patient person. He want to be peaceful. That's why he don't want to deal with all those things. Moreover, when people are shouting, he cannot shout like that. If at all beating, once when he was in 18 years, I think 17, 18, he gave one slap to someone. No, he did not die, but it is in some kind of, for 5 to 10 minutes, it took that person to get up. I said, no manhandling by, you never do that thing. From that time onwards, till now, I never saw that he is manhandling anyone. He will talk, only talk, because he's a gym body. He have gym body. So, very strong. Physically, very fit, very strong. But he won't entertain himself in this kind of things. He won't entertain in conflicts, fightings. scoldings, verbal no. He will keep himself away from all those things. He always in the good vibration. Treat your body like a palace it is. It is not here. See, treat your body like a palace it is. It is here. I'm not saying that you are sharing your sexual energy. No, actually, you are torturing yourself. I don't like myself. Put more burdens I want. It is like, see, somewhere I saw some web series, I think, when some person feeling guilty, they did something, so they carry that guilt, they lost their child. So as a parent, it is like she felt that guilt because of my mistake, I lost my child. How she handles that guilt is really, it is a weird thing. This is how people will handle. This is also one way to handle the guilt. She asked someone to beat her, like with that. I really feel strange. How come? Because one small thing, we will be like, when my brother doing something accidentally, if at all it touch me, I will cry. Literally, I will cry for 5 minutes, and he is like, I did not even done anything. It is just by mistakenly. I cannot, because we are sensitive, we are feminines, we are women. He is a masculine. Even the energy they carry feminine, that body is like, you need to handle yourself with care. Because here you are like, where is that card? 10 of Wands. Still, you are like, no, you put some more burdens. You come, you are telling, you already carrying lot. You are telling this King of Cups to come. I will take your burden also. I want one more wand. I will take your burden. How much you will going to carry? How much you are going to? Why you are torturing yourself? Because here I am not seeing anything which is like you love to take people's burden. No, you are torturing yourself. You are abusing yourself. Self-abuse, self-torture. Maybe you are carrying any kind of guilt. Release it. We are all human beings. We do mistakes. It is natural. As a human beings, we all do the mistakes. Release the guilt. Learn the lesson. Release that guilt. Move forward. That's what life is all about. It is not that I will carry that guilt in my mind, heart, and I will torture my. Because here you are not doing. You are torturing yourself. Treat your body like a palace it is, and you are treating your body like donkey. I call this card as a donkey because no matter their owner how much burden that owner is putting, they won't tell anything. Should love yourself. You got that card, self-love. Stop focusing on other people. Start focusing on yourself. No matter who's that other different woman you have, who is Queen of Cups in the reverse, who is Empress, who is Queen of Pentacle in the reverse. Leave all these women's burdens. This is a feminine Anita, they cannot do. I need to take the responsibility. If at all they are your spouse number 1, spouse number 2, spouse number 3, tell your spouse that, see spouses, till now I had energy, I took care of everyone, now my energy is dried, I cannot take care of anyone. So please, you all go to the work and earn money and give me food. That's what you need to do. Because your time is over. No, I'm serious. In this stage, you cannot handle anything. Your time is up. You need to take care of yourself by dropping the burdens, by telling whomever they may be, okay? If at all it is spouses, I don't think, because why I'm telling spouses is Empress, mother figure, wifey figure. Again, you got Queen of Cups in the reverse. Again, mother figure, which is karmic. Queen of Pentacle in the reverse, which is like an escort. What you will do with the escort? Because you are not in a position to use your wand. No, I don't hesitate to speak this kind of words. You are not in a position to use your wand. Why you are still carrying this escort in your life? I don't even understand who you are. Treat your body like a palace it is. Okay? Love yourself. Whatever ended is there. I don't know your age. Based on that card, maybe 60, 70 years old. Nowadays, 60, 70 also looking very young, youthful, energetic. No? Allow those people who maintain themselves very well, even though they are in the 70s. We should be like, we should take care of ourselves. Who will take care of? When we are not respecting our body, we are not taking care of our soul resides in this body. So it is our responsibility to take care of this body. When we are not taking care of, who will take? See, these women are taking care of themselves very well. At least you should learn from them, especially this empress. I don't know who is that empress, but how she is like, I don't bother who is going, what is going on, who are taking burdens, who is going through the hell. I don't care, Anita. I just love myself. Self-love pin. Huh? You at least not completely learn something from these people, women who are around you, and listen to me carefully. Ask this woman to see, darlings, I'm dropping the burdens. Now I cannot take more burdens. Now it is your turn to take my responsibility. You three people go out, make money, bring the food to the table. I will sit and eat. No need to hesitate, because you already maybe took a lot. It is your turn to sit and eat. Okay, and release this person, whomever this person. Where is that king of cups? Who release this person? They maybe have two of cups with that king of cups. If at all you try to keep this person with you by controlling in a wrong way, I'm not saying that you are telling that, no, you should say no, you don't have that much power and all. It is like, please, I don't know who to go, where to go, whom to tell my problems. I have suicidal thoughts. I want to kill myself. I don't even understanding when I'm going to kill myself, which day I'm going to die, whether tomorrow I'm going to be alive or not. So it is not exactly emotional manipulation again. You are using your problems and controlling this person. You will get more karma. You should try to become obstacle to someone's life, that to love, not letting that person to go towards their life purpose. You will get more karma. Don't do that mistake. You may be already carrying lot of karma. More than responsibilities here I'm saying, you maybe don't get triggered, because Anita speaks blunt way. When you are engaged, maybe you are like, Rangun Raja, I want wife, I want a side piece, I want prostitutes. You maybe did lot. And maybe your wives are not going to tell you, but that's the truth. I am Rangun Raja, I can have three more women. I see how women are around me. Now everything is gone. At least now, do something good in your end of the days. Really, you don't have much time. End days, no matter what we did in our young age, at least end days, we should do something good. This much I can say. After this also you cannot listen. She's like, thank you for watching. So pile number 3, whomever choose rose quartz. Okay, who is coming towards you and what they want. So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you were not subscribed. If at all you were already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click at the join button. Have a look at our YouTube store. Watch the ads. So, who is coming towards my pile number 3? Who is coming towards my pile number 3? Who is coming towards my pile number 3? Who is coming towards pile number 3? Who is coming towards you? Someone with whom you missed some kind of opportunity, stable opportunity. Maybe you want to get married with that person. You maybe thought that this person is like a king of hands. They will become a husband figure, or very responsible father figure, leader kind of person. You may be missed that opportunity with that person. This person can be your ex-boss. This may be your ex-boss. So some time ago you may be expected some kind of financial opportunity. But that time maybe this person did not give it. They maybe thought that, okay, if at all I provide financial opportunity, which is like a small job. If at all I provide job to this person, what people are going to say, or there may be already gossips. That is the reason they may be like, no, they may be, no, I don't want to give you because you lost this opportunity. You did not got that opportunity. That is your ex-boss. That person is coming now as a king of wands. See, in the past you came to me for the opportunity, but actually now I want to become like a king of wands. Like I want to get married. I want to make you as my spouse. Who is coming towards you? Because I'm not saying it is a different person, same person. The only thing is in the past this person is your boss. Now they want to become your spouse. Who is coming towards you? Who is coming towards you? They maybe want some kind of victory with you. I had that 6 of wands. Who is coming towards you? Who is coming towards you? This is a complete masculine figure. Okay, no matter whether they are a men or women, but masculine. Maybe you are not expecting that this person is going to come towards you because in the past you may be expected. They are like, no, what other people are going to think, so that is the reason why I don't want to give that opportunity, or I don't want something stable with you. Now they want, as simple as they want to make you as their spouse, or they want to become that husband figure, father figure. You are not expecting, but I think they may be going to do emotional manipulation if at all you not accept. If at all you say no, this is going to shock you because you are not expecting this person is coming. Maybe you thought that this person never going to come. Maybe as of now they may be in the healing period. At that time maybe you are expecting them. That time maybe they had some kind of codependency issues, so they want to heal from those things. Moreover, you maybe thought that they betrayed me. I thought they are going to come towards me, but they betrayed me. I don't think they betrayed. They maybe had some codependency issues. Finally, they healed from it. When you are waiting for them, that time they are healing. Their healing period is going on. Maybe because they are like, first I want to get out of this codependency. Then I will go and meet my person. Then I am going to become king of wands. Because they want to give you stable. Very long time. But that's where they maybe took time for healing, and here you maybe decided that they cheated me, Anita. They betrayed me. I thought they are going to come, but this person betrayed me. No, that person is coming now. Who is coming towards you? Same person. This is from past. What they want from you? It is going to shock you. When you see that person, you will be like, what? I'm not expecting you. That kind of feeling you are going to feel. What what they want from you? What they want from you? What they want? One thing is sure. If at all you are not going to accept, they decided that because it is a very long time, maybe you waited for them, they are healing period, they did not came, finally you decided that no, this person betrayed me, so they want to come back, right? That time they know that because they maybe thought that I already betrayed. Now if at all I go towards them, they may be not going to accept. If at all they not going to accept, I will cry, like I'm ready to do emotional manipulation so that they can accept me. That's what I'm seeing. They're ready to do emotional manipulation to get acceptance from you. What they want? As of now, or when you are waiting for them, you may be see, in the past you maybe told them that come, let's work together. Okay, you waited for them, they are going to come, we both are going to work together, but they did not because they had some issues that what other people are going to tell. There's like a rumors. They may be hesitated, or they may be scared of other people's gossips, rumors. That's why they did not took that step. But they even had some codependency issues, as we saw in the past cards. So they are decided that they need to heal from those codependency before coming to you. So in that period, you may be waited for them by not knowing the truth, by not knowing the truth, what exactly happening that end with that person. No communication, maybe the situation may be completely no communication. You may be waited. This person going to come. They are going to come. We both are going to work together. But they did not. They did not turn up. Now they are coming. Why they want to come? What they want? Okay, what they want from you? What they want from you? Maybe one thing, they may be healed from those codependency issues. Other thing, they may be seeing some truth. If at all in the past they did not know some truth, they may be finally found the truth. Or they maybe want to tell the truth. Why they did not came. Why in the past, even though you are waiting, they know that you are waiting for them. Why they did not took any kind of action towards you. They want to share that truth. What they want from you. What they want from you. What they want from you. They maybe want to get married because we are seeing King of Wands. They want to become your husband figure, no matter whether it is a feminine or men or women. They are in the strong masculine energy, but if needed, they decided that no matter what happened, I want to get married with that person. Maybe you are also waited for them to come and get married, because here I am not saying you are not interested. But the only thing is, when you are waiting, they did not came. The reason, they have their own reasons why they did not came. Now they want to come and speak the truth, that why I did not came. I know you are waiting for me. We both decided that we both should get married traditionally. We both should end up together. But I did not turn up. So they want to share the truth why they did not turn up. What happened from their end. I think this person maybe have someone in their life who is like King of Swords in the reverse. Someone maybe controlled them in the wrong way, and they maybe did not changing themselves, or they maybe won't carry in emotions. Maybe this person waited for them to change, and finally they understood that no, they're never going to change. That is the reason they finally took action towards you. Finally they came towards you. If at all someone in their life who is like a guru, whom they used to take that advice, suggestion, that person maybe controlled them in a wrong way, which is like a Queen of Swords. They may be their past person, or ex, baby mama, baby dada kind of thing. This person want to become dada, so there may be some baby mama who don't want this person to come towards you, karmic mother kind of person, because this person maybe used to listen to them. They may be waited for them to take that permission. Moreover, they may be dependent, at least to carry some kind of codependence. They healed from those things. They want to share everything, whatever happened. Whomever watching file number 3, if at all this reading is matching with you, situation is matching with you, now you are like, who is coming towards you? The person, whomever you lost. At least you thought that you lost one stable opportunity with someone to get married, end up with traditional marriage with that person. That same person is coming. What they want from you is same. Whatever they want in the past, getting married, becoming that husband figure, they want everything. And they want to share more, which is like why they did not came, what happened from their side of the story. What they want from you. Maybe you are like a Queen of, you can watch, I think, same reading. Who is coming towards you? Who is coming towards you? Yeah, same reading. I think pile number 1 you should watch. Maybe you are dealing with pile number 1, because same energies I am getting here. There, someone is waiting for someone's permission. That person is their karmic mother. They are waiting that their karmic mother is going to give them a permission to come, go towards their love, to get married, have children. But they are not. Their karmic mother is not changing. Here, same situation. This person may be dealt with someone who is controlling them in a wrong way, who is not changing. They may be waited for some time that this person is going to change, but they did not change. So finally, they are coming towards you. In that situation, also that person caught up feelings for someone who is escort. That is also one reason that karmic mother not letting that person to go and get married with them. But that person, that woman is divine feminine. Even though they may be like escort, they are divine feminine. Here you are also, who is coming towards you? The king of wands is coming, because they know that you are the divine feminine, you both are divine couple. But as I said, other side, some karmic mother is stopping your divine masculine. You can watch pile number 1. You will understand their situation. Anyway, they are going to come and share with you. You can still understand their situation, why they don't want, they did not turn up. Okay, because here same situation. See, you are like a escort but divine feminine, and they want new beginning with you. They want child with you. They want to get married. They want to become this husband figure. You are the divine feminine, they are the divine masculine. You both are coming together. You both are having one baby together. Even though your profession may be something different, which may be not accepted by the society, that time maybe this person felt helpless in front of their mother, but they worked on themselves. They may be loved themselves. Finally, they turned up. What else? If at all you are not listening to your intuition, whomever watching, you need to listen to your intuition. Because even though you are a queen of pentacle in the reverse, queen of wands in the reverse, you are divine feminine. If at all you listen to your intuition, you will become divine feminine. So you can understand why your divine masculine did not turn up. You need self-love. You need to work on yourself. You maybe have choices, but love yourself. Don't get confused about other choices, because this is your person. This is your destiny. Whomever coming towards you, that person is your destiny. But if at all you don't listen to your intuition, you will get confused. More than confusion, which is like, why you did not came up, now I got other partner, because I'm seeing lovers. Now I have other options, so I don't want to get with you. So don't do that, because maybe here there is some issues. Queen of pentacle in the reverse, queen of wands in the reverse, but still, if you listen to your intuition, you are a divine feminine, very strong internally, very strong feminine. And if you listen to your intuition, you connect with the universe. This is divine masculine, this is divine feminine. One karmic mother between you both. If at all you have any kind of issues with this personality, I think you need to listen to your intuition. It is not that your person did not came towards you, it doesn't mean that they don't like you because of your personality. No, this is divinely guided union. Not a queen of cups, king of cups, king of wands, divine feminine, divine masculine, divine feminine. Both are divinely guided. You have purpose, life purpose in the 3D, not 5D life purpose, 3D life purpose. But still, you should listen to your intuition. So instead of misunderstanding this person by thinking that I'm not good looking, because of I'm not good looking, that is the reason why they are not coming, that is the reason why they rejected. No, it is not about the rejection. This person completely controlled by someone who is controlling them in a wrong way. That is the reason why they did not came. Other than that, I'm not seeing this person not interested and all. No. See, it is natural when we have divine unions, divine connections. It is natural that we need to deal with the karmics. It is natural. It is not that simply we will both come together. You are divine masculine, I am divine feminine, let's come together. No. We need to deal with the karmics. The reason is, universe want us to know the beauty or the worth of our connection. If at all if you come together easily, you're never going to know the worth of that connection. That is the reason universe bring some karmics between you both, so that when you are dealing with that karmics, you will go through some tough periods, lessons, some cycles, so and so things. You learn the lessons. The more you learn the lessons, you will become better. The more you are become better, you more appreciate that connection, you more understand that connection, the more you value the connection. That is the reason why we need to have the karmics. Okay, they will make us to realize the worth of that connection which we are in. If at all they are not there, what is there? It is a connection. That's it. No, that's it. Not that's it. There is some huge purpose. We need to see that connections in a different perception. Not like, oh, 3D, one man, one woman coming together. What is there? No. It is not that one man, one woman, one masculine, one feminine is coming together to have fun, create babies. No. There is some life purpose. If at all here, as simple I will tell you, this is a divine masculine, this is a divine feminine. If at all you both are coming together, giving birth to one baby, this baby is not a normal baby. Whomever going to born here, it is not a normal child. This child is like a future leader. This is a natural born leader, future leader. Some person, this is a child, but in future they are going to become something huge where that child is going to lead the masses, because they are born, they are coming from the King of Wands. I hope you understand. So it is not just that one man, one masculine, one feminine is coming together, having fun, having the baby. No, you both have the purpose to bring this child on this planet, and this child is not a normal child. Now you are not going to understand that. You may be going to feel that, yes, Sanita, I got pregnant, I got baby boy. That's it. You don't know what they are going to become after in their future. In future, what they are going to become, how they are going to bring the change into the world. That is the difference. Why we call these people like a divine feminine, divine masculine. One leader want to come onto this earth. One leader soul want to come on this planet. Universe choose you as parents for that child, for that soul to come back to the planet, back to the earth. I hope you are understanding. That is the beauty. It is not just simply like one man, one woman coming, having fun, making babies. Everyone will make. But why only some people will become something where they will bring the change into the masses? Why they are going to lead the world? Why people are going to listen to them? That is the reason. Release your guilt. Whomever watching, who is coming towards you, your divine masculine is coming towards you. Whatever guilt you are carrying, release that guilt. No matter about what you are carrying. As simple as, I trusted this person. I thought they are going to come towards me, but they rejected me. Because I am Queen of Pentacle in the reverse, Queen of Wands in the reverse. Maybe you trade yourself, maybe you sell yourself, but still maybe you believe in God. You completely have faith in God. You completely on the divine path. That is the reason universe choose you to bring this baby on this planet. So that in future, even though to whom they born, that's a different story. They are going to create different story for themselves. I hope you are understanding. It's a beautiful thing. Don't lose it. Why I am telling is, if at all you go towards that, no, some kind of, which is like carrying that past issues, like, no, that person, why they did not came, why they did not turn up that time. You need to release all those things. I respond with unconditional love today. Jesus card. See, this card reminds you that all challenging people and situations are tests to prepare you for ascension. To pass this test, you need to respond to them with unconditional love and balance. This is where universe will test you each and every step. How you are reacting, they will bring one situation. That situation maybe need a lot of patience. As I said, one simple story about my experience. Last time some situation arrived and I was really frustrated, irritated, because I don't want to deal with this kind of situations. Why you are bringing these situations to me? My Krishna said, you are you just be patient. Because of your impatient, you are letting the devil to win the game. This year same, I'm patient, and the devil is working for me. It is learning the lesson. And last year I was really not patient enough with my connection, with my love, with my partner. I'm getting irritated. I used to shout on my Krishna, you did not got anyone. He is a fool. You brought one fool into my life. He is to tell that fool is learning from the mistakes, what he should not do. So give some time to him. Now I'm not really, because even I'm understanding. I'm understanding. I became more understanding. I became more patient. I became more loving towards him. That's how we need to learn the lessons. It is all lessons. Whatever happened in your journey, when this person did not came, you are waiting for them. Still, Anita, I waited for that person to come. I waited, Anita. Even though I had a lot of opportunities, I waited for them. They did not came. In this waiting period, definitely you learn something. Right? Definitely it won't go waste. In this waiting period, definitely you maybe learn some beautiful lessons. As simple as don't wait for anyone. Move forward in your life. Don't keep yourself stuck. Move forward in your life. That is your lesson. You finally learn the lesson. Yes, why should I wait for someone? I'm good enough. I'm enough. Whatever I am, I don't need to wait for someone. Let's move forward in my life. If they need to come, they will come. The moment you learn that lesson, that we should not wait for anyone, we should take control of our own life, we should move forward in our life. If anyone really belongs to us, they will come, they will end up with us. These are all beautiful lessons. When you learn this lesson, your person will come. Universe will send your person. See, your divine feminine learn the lesson. Now come. So you also need to understand the things in this way, instead of feeling guilty towards whatever it may be, whatever guilt it may be. Release that guilt, okay? You need to release the guilt from the past, from this person, from this connection, or self-guilt, whatever. Release that guilt. Keep this unconditional love within you, because whomever coming towards you, that is not a normal person, and you are also not a normal person. Don't think you are something less than them. You both are equal. And forget about in the 3D what you are. Okay, in the 3D what you are, forget. In some spiritual realm, this person is like a king of wand, leader figure, but at the same time you are also divine feminine. If this person is a divine masculine, they are also follow the God's path, divine path. You are also follow the divine path. You are also listen to the divine. You both are on the divine path. So both, that is the reason universe choose both the people. These two are my kids, and these two children to come together to bring one beautiful child on this planet. See the things in a different level. Don't stuck in this mud, 3D mud. No, that person, I waited a lot, Anita. I missed a lot of opportunities that time. They did not came. Now they want me. No, I don't want to end up. Don't do all kind of dramas, because mostly I used to experience that with my female friends. She's like, why should I go? Don't do that, okay? Understand the connection, that beautiful connection, whatever you should. That is the reason why I explained more deeper way. Or else I like that it is the divine masculine, it is the divine feminine, both are coming. Understand the beauty of this connection. Understand the worth of this connection. Instead of wasting more time, respond with unconditional love. I respond with unconditional love today. Okay? Thank you for watching.